Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how designers create multiple app screens or website layouts in one Photoshop file? The secret is Artboard. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create, use, and master Artboard step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's start. What an artboard is. When we say artboard, what does it mean? An artboard in Photoshop is basically a separate canvas, okay, in one document. So instead of opening multiple files, you can design or curate everything like mobile screens, web pages, or social media posts in one place. What it means is that the work that you see on my screen from the Artboard 1, Artboard 2 to I think I have Artboard 15. Okay, almost Artboard 15. So all these artboards, instead of me to be creating in separate files, I'll be designing everything over here in one particular canvas without me creating another canvas for the first design, the second one, the third one, to the last one, which is the thank you. So at first you can design everything, and even sometimes you can create one particular file and then you'll be saving them. But basically Artboard will give you the chance for you to be designing everything in one particular canvas, and it also helps to save time. So that is basically the meaning of an artboard. Let's create an artboard. So you open to your Photoshop for the first time, you come to File, then go to Create New. All right, then over here come and select your size, that is your canvas size that you'll be using for the particular project. So in this case, let's say I want to work using social media posts, so I will select the social media size, which is in pixels 1080, height 1080, and then I will name this as social media post. Okay, then now when you come to the orientation over here, I will come and tick artboards. Make sure you tick the artboards. All right, then come to the resolution, you do your settings, RGB, any other thing, make sure you do it, and then you go to create. Right, now when you create, you could see that you have your Artboard 1. All right, now how do I then add more artboard? Okay, now to add more artboards, just come to the first tool, which is the move tool, right click it, you will see artboard in there. Select that particular tool, okay, and then you could see I have selected layer 1, which is not giving me the permission to add more artboard. So make sure you select the full folder, which is the Artboard 1. Okay, now once you select, you will see the plus icon on top, left, bottom, and then right. So for you to add another artboard to the right, just click on the plus button, and one more artboard is being added, which will be Artboard 2. You can go ahead and then click on another plus, and then you get Artboard 3. Now for you to have a clear look at it, press on Ctrl 0, and then you have a clear look at this. If you also want to add more artboard to the Artboard 1, come to Artboard 1, and then you see the plus icon here, click on that. You can arrange them in that order. Okay, so let's say I have 6 artboards being arranged over here for me. Now you could see that my artboards are not numbered in order. Okay, so in the next step, let's look at how you can organize it. So it's just simple. You just have to come and move your Artboard 2 and then place it where you see the minus or the dash. You leave it there, and then bring the Artboard 3, okay, somewhere here, you leave it 4, 5, and then in that order. So your artboards are organized. Now the next step that we are moving on to is how do I then design in Artboard, which is very simple.